Ugh. School is crap nowadays. I hate this place so much. What should I do to escape this piece of crap? Haha. I got him. I'm going to pull the fire alarm, and then I will go to McDonald's. Here I am. McDonald's.
Welcome to McDonald's. What would you like?
I'd like a spicy cheeseburger meal.
Okay, that will be $7.76.
Here you go.
Thank you. Go take a seat. Your food will be ready in a few minutes.
Later, back at Synthwave Street High School.
Hello. Principal Charleston speaking.
Hello Principal Charleston, this is Security Guard Ariana. We needed to let you know that one of the students named Tony Pickford pulled the fire alarm and then escaped to go to McDonald's. We would suggest you call his parents and inform that to them.
Oh my gosh. Tony is so going to be in hot water right now. I will call his parents and let him know that he will be suspended for 2 weeks. Thanks for letting me know, Ariana.
No problem, Principal Charleston. Goodbye.
Later, back at McDonald's.
Ah yes. This is the life. Eating at McDonald's is way cooler than being at school. This should be this way forever for me.
But not for long, Tony.
Oh crap. Mom. Dad. How did you find me?
We will explain on the way home. Come with us now.
Tony, we can't believe you pulled the fire alarm to escape school and go to McDonald's. That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks.
March upstairs to your room this instant.
Why?